Queen and Broadview, my old stomping ground. And I had to come and get this. It's kind of cool. There's like a construction site and the hoardings. You know how they do the hoardings very differently now. Now, of course, oh, well, maybe I can't do this. Yeah. But look at this. And it's by, I'm not sure who that is, but there's the name. And this is really cool. I'll see. And then there's this. So I think it's my guy, Elser, who's done this. I don't know what else is out here. It's going to be a compilation of different folks. But I don't know. That's really interests me. So I just got splashed. Yeah, there you go. Alright. I'm gonna miss my streetcar. I'm clear. Got splashed. Well, I was on the road, so what can I do? Alright. It's just like, that's what happens too with the winter. Is after the snow melts, there's a lot of water around, and there's a little bit of rain too. So it's a splash city. Canadian. This is my streetcar, so I can get moving. One never parked. This is it. So I'm waiting for the other one.